Good morning, children. Today we will solve our exercise 9.4. In exercise 9.4, problem number first, you have given that a quadrilateral in the adjacent figure, a quadrilateral has been shown name its diagonal. So this type of figure you have given that. Problem number first, you have to given that this type of figure. Here you have to set that, and also its diagonal given that. Such type of diagonals, this y, this with the point y q, this w, and this point x. Its diagonals, so its diagonals wx and uy. Diagonals b uy comma wx. Okay, in b also given that two pairs of opposite sides. So two pairs of opposite sides given that xy uw, xy uw. This is first pair, and again given that ux and wy. Okay, two pairs of opposite angles. So two pairs of opposite angles also given that. In C, two pairs of opposite angles. This is also opposite to this angle, and this angle is also opposite to this angle. Okay, so these are two pairs of opposite angles. Angle u opposite to angle y, and also from here angle w is opposite to angle x. Okay, so these are two pairs of opposite angles. And next, given that two pairs of adjacent sides, so you have also seen that two pairs of adjacent sides, xy yw adjacent sides, and wv wu and ux also adjacent sides. Okay, two pairs of adjacent angles. So here also given that two pairs of adjacent angles, u adjacent to x angle and y adjacent to w angle. Okay, now this is the solution of this problem. You have to solve this again. In problem second, given that three angles of a quadrilateral are 30 degree, 20 degree and 80 degree. Find out if it is a convex or concave quadrilateral. So here in second also given that three angles. The angles are quadrilateral. Given that 20 degree, comma 30 degree, comma 80 degree. Okay, find out if it is a convex or concave quadrilateral. So you know already about convex or concave quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral, a quadrilateral in which the measure of each angle is less than 180 degree is convex quadrilateral. And in concave quadrilateral, a quadrilateral in which the measure of any one of the angles is more than 180 degree is called a concave quadrilateral. So first of all, you know about angle sum property. Angle sum property. You know that 20 plus 30 plus 80 plus unknown angle bx is equal to 360 degree. Okay, here you have to also write that unknown angle bx. Okay, so from here we get 20, 30, 50 plus 80, 130 plus x is equal to 360. Then from here x is equal to 360 minus 130, then x is equal to 230 degree. So this is a concave quadrilateral, because you know a quadrilateral in which the measure of any one of the angles is more than 180 degree, that is called concave quadrilateral. So this is a concave quadrilateral. You have to write this. Okay, this is your answer. Again, here in problem number 3rd, in the adjacent figures PQRS is a quadrilateral. Okay, given that PQRS is a quadrilateral, name given that the points on the quadrilateral PQR. So PQR given that the points on the quadrilateral D, C. Okay, C and D. In third part A, your answer be C and D. Okay, in second, the points in the interior of the quadrilateral. So interior point AB, interior point A and B. In third part, the points in the exterior of the quadrilateral PQRS, exterior points E and F. Okay. Again here, given that problem number 4, draw a quadrilateral ABCD and name its opposite adjacent sides and opposite adjacent angles. So you have to do itself. Okay, you have to do yourself this. In problem number 5, you have to also fill in the blanks. A quadrilateral has vertices, 4 vertices, 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonals. You have to fill this. A quadrilateral has two pairs of adjacent sides and 2 pairs of opposite sides. Given that such as a quadrilateral has pairs of adjacent angles, so 2 pairs of adjacent angle and pairs of opposite angles, so 2 pairs of opposite angles. The measure of each angle of a convex quadrilateral is less than 180 degree. The diameter of a circle is 4 centimeter. What is its radius? You have to also solve it. Diameter is given that any circle. Problem number 6. If any circle given that and its diameter of the circle is 4 centimeter, its diameter is 4 centimeter. This is the center O and diameter is 4 centimeter. Then also you know that D is equal to 2R or R is equal to D by 2. Then R is equal to D given that 4 by 2, 2 to the 4. Then R is equal to 2 centimeter also. Okay, this is the answer of this problem. So radius is equal to 2 centimeter. Draw a circle with center P mark. So now time over and we stop our writing. Remaining next problem we also solve next day. So thank you children. Thank you.